welcome back to another video. Today we are in the kitchen and we are cooking up some roast beef lunch meat. This is my second time actually making it. I made it just like a week ago for myself and I forgot to record. I recorded half the video and then I didn't finish it. So today my mom actually gave me some of her meat, the same cut, and I'm making it for her because she really wanted some. So I told her I was gonna record a video. So yeah, anyways. The seasoning I put on it, I will put in the description. It's actually like a Euro seasoning that I followed. I'll put the link to that recipe. You can find like roast beef seasonings for like roast beef deli meat. Quick rundown of what I did. I seasoned my meat and then I vacuum sealed it in my vacuum sealer food saver bags, and then we are just putting it in Instapot, and my Instapot has that sous vide method. I believe I'm saying that right, which is basically almost kind of like crock pot, but it's submerged in water and it's just really low and slow temperatures. And I did it at 134 for 13 hours last time, and I'm doing that again. So I'll bring you back tomorrow when I'm pulling it out and I'm cutting it, and I'll show you guys how much I get. And then also we're gonna make some bread so we can make a sandwich. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi friends, welcome back. It is the next morning and I am about to take the meat out of the Instapot and we are gonna broil the outside. I'll show you what I do for that. I just set my oven to broil and we're just gonna kind of like crisp the outside. This is done, so let's get it in the broiler and let's see how much we get. Look how beautiful this turned out. I can't wait to see what it looks like when we cut into it. Okay, so the roast came out of the broiler and I did about like 4 minutes on each side about. I did one side, the other side, and then I kind of tried to prop it up and do the other side. One of the sides that wasn't quite as brown, and I did about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. So got it a little bit of a crisp. Now I'm gonna let this completely cool. Once it cools off a little bit, I'm actually probably gonna stick it in the refrigerator, let it completely cool before we cut into it. So now we are going to make some sandwich bread. So I'll bring you along with that, and I will link the recipe that I follow for the sandwich bread. turned out way better the second time doing it for my mom. Definitely slice it. If you don't have a deli slicer, slice it while the meat is cold. Was able to do it a lot more evenly. Got a lot more slices out of it. Mine was almost like steak consistency because it was so thick and I had done it while it was still warm. So now we're going to vacuum seal it and I'm gonna kind of proportion it off. And then, yeah. I know this is probably not traditional. Well, that's obviously not traditional with a Euro seasoning on there, but traditional roast beef deli meat. But it's better in my opinion and a lot cheaper and more cost effective. So if you have a cut of meat, I used a eye of round roast. But if you have any cut of meat that you can make some roast beef deli meat, this is a great way to do it. Okay, so I got 6 of these containers. I decided to weigh it this time. When I made mine, I did not weigh it. I just kind of eyeballed it, but I did 7 ounces in each container, and it was like almost perfect. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 things of deli meat, and honestly, they're kind of cut thickly. So I think this is definitely enough for 2, if not 3 sandwiches when you make one. So yeah, that's so exciting. Okay, so now that I got this done, I'm going to stick this in the freezer. This is for my mom, like I've said. So, but with my meat that I made from last week, I'm gonna make a sandwich. So let's make a sandwich. We're probably gonna have that for dinner. I know it's kind of a weird dinner, but I'll come back in 2 hours and I'll make some sandwiches for dinner and we'll see how they turn out. So I hope you guys give deli meat a try. If you guys have ever made your own lunch meat, let me know. I'm gonna be experimenting with like turkey and chicken as well. So if you're interested in seeing any of those types of videos, let me know. I'm gonna end this video here. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye.